So, hi, good morning, team. This is about the new sales pipeline that we have, and this is the a more robust connection. So, first things first is you are still using this one, correct? And I want you to now use this sales pipeline client lifecycle because there are automation attached, and it is a very good one and a more robust. So I can transfer these leads to there and let me know if you want me to meet. So I would love uh, to send them where they're no where they're at in our pipeline stage. So this one, new lead, qualification, hot lead, code requested, code sent, book and scheduled, job execution, quality control, post job, recurring, not interest, not interested in reactivation or our nurture campaign. So these are the automations that we prepare. So first things first is the contact created. So whenever a contact has been created in our system, they go to a specific pipeline, which is the sales pipeline client life cycle, and then the next would be um, if it's a form in a way that it was submitted as a form in our website, it will you will be notified because there are instances that we may have to um, manually add a lead in our system, so we couldn't keep on track of that. But for now, it's the free submission or the form submitted. So form submitted, it is assigned to you, add owner to the opportunity, it's a notification to Slack, create an opportunity to the client lifecycle, and then add tag is opt-in and free estimates. So in that way, how would we send an email to them? So there's a trigger. Let's say that it sends them once a lead is added to the opportunity or the pipeline stage, which is the sales pipeline. It sends them a welcome email, welcome SMS. It's just if it doesn't response to us, it says cold lead follow up, where um, here it's the STN or the short term nurture. So this one, so if you remember, there's a cold active lead. So cold lead follow up, this is where our SMS, our emails will be delivered to them. So if a condition is, if it doesn't include tags, because our goal is to have a free quote or free estimate booking to them. Allow me to also represent the calendars that are working for us. Those are, it's subcontractor job assignments, affiliate, free quote. This is for our client lifecycle or sales pipeline, and then the employee shift job calendar. So once a lead book to this one, um, it they will be a tag, and I will explain it on the later call that it will be tagged as booked after quote. So if doesn't have a book after quote, they will be still sending an email for the short term nurture. So if not, after 2 weeks, they will be put into reactivation or this one. And reactivation would be if a pipeline stage has changed to reactivation or it a opportunity created, it will send them an email. So you may check this one and feel free to modify it if you want. This one is a simple email that it it keeps on engaging. It just targeting their pain points. It's about all about pain points, how we target, how we can help them, how they feel after we help them. So those are the re-engagement and the um, long-term nurture. So again, if it's a close one, code requested, code sent, recurring, this one. So let's go back again to the automation. I mean, sorry, the opportunities for the sales pipeline. So again, we are done with new lead, qualification, hot lead, quote requested. If it's a quote requested, it means um, a lead requested a quote from you, Darian. So I believe you may want to use this calculator and then submit a quote. So a lead will be dragged here. So if it's a quote requested, China, I believe a lead will be dragged here, and then once a lead will drag here, it's a drag and drop. So once a lead goes here into the pipeline stage, you will be notified, assign it to you, notified that a lead requested a code, a quote from you. So once you submitted or you send them an email, we can do it manually, but I believe it's different. The price are different, so it will be modified and personalized more by you. So let's say if you already submitted or you have already prepared and submit it, you just move a lead from quote to quote sent. So right after it's a quote sent, send them an email saying any questions about any questions about the quote that's been sent. It's just a normal nurture campaign. So if not, if it's a contract signed, you can now tag them properly. Let's say if that would be, I believe if it's a recurring weekly, if it's a recurring bi-weekly, recurring monthly, so they will be added in one pipeline stage, which is the recurring, and you can found them in the sales pipeline again. System added note, active monthly client, SMS, yes, your contact service frequency, the contact service frequency, that would be um, the recurring. And same, and I believe, yes, that's it for the sales pipeline. Thank you.